Good day everyone, my name is Mayowa Latif. I'm a remote sensing and geoinformatics skill developer. I would be showing you how to clip your image to your region of interest using Google Earth Engine. So this is ESA would cover 10 meter and this is the Google Earth data catalog. So I will just come directly and open this in the code editor. So if you would like me to make another video, so you can just drop it in the comment section and I will try my possible best. Or you have any question, I will try my possible best to answer it. So okay, I will just go straight to my region of interest. I am just zooming to anywhere. So I will create my polygon. Yeah, okay, good. Then I'll just name it my region of interest. Then I'll just come down to the map.addlayer.clip. Put my region of interest. Then I'm going to run this. Okay. Before that, I would like to center my object to my region of interest. Then I'm going to run it. So this is applicable for single image, as it may not be applicable for image collection, but I would make another video when you are working with image collections like Landsat and Sentinel. But this is just a single image. So I would just put up the polygon, the region of interest. Then you can see. Then you can apply it for other data sets too.